Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country. You join me here today on Off Church Lane in the sought-after village of Covington on the outskirts of Leamington Spa. This is a 5-bedroom, semi-detached property that has been modernised and extended by the current owners and also includes a separate double garage with room above that is currently being used as a gym but could also be a home office. So come with me, let's take a look inside. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.